Yes. Today concept is very important concept. Test cases concept. Today concept is test cases concept. First of all, before going to test cases, first of all we should know what are the customer requirements. What are the customer requirements we should know. So, what are the requirements? First of all, I will read all the requirements once again. Yes. Yeah, Deval or Raj? Deval. Oh no. You can. Already TeamViewer was open. Right, madam. Yeah, already we discussed the requirements. First, functional requirements. This requirements given by customer. Yes, that is FRS. Yeah, that is application name is login screen. I will show you login application also. This is the application. He is saying requirements. Yeah, what are the requirements he is saying? Observe carefully. This is the application. He is saying requirement. Yes. Yeah. Login screen should contain username, password, connect to fields, and login clear cancel buttons. This is the first requirement. Second requirement, connected to is not a mandatory field, but whenever user requires, it should allow him to select a database option. Connected to is not a mandatory field. Whenever user want, he can select a desired database option. Upon entering valid username, valid password and clicking on login button, corresponding page must be displayed. After entering username and password, if you click on login button, corresponding page. That means there are two types of users. One is normal user, other one is
Admin user.
admin user. Admin user. There are two types of users. One is normal user, other one is admin user. If it is normal user, home page will display. If it is admin user, admin page must be displayed. Fourth requirement is saying upon clicking on the cancel button, login screen must be closed. And another requirement, upon clicking on the clear button, all the fields must be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field. That's the requirements that are given by customer. Next, special requirements. This requirements given by business analyst. Why he is giving for look and feel purpose? He is adding some more requirements. The requirements is called special requirements. Whenever the login screen is invoked, login clear buttons must be disabled. Why he is saying disabled? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, without giving username password. Okay, if it is disabled or enabled, no use. Okay, no need to worry. Yeah, second requirement, cancel button must be always enabled. Cancel button always enabled. Why he is saying cancel button always enabled? At any time he can close the application. That's the reason that cancel button always enabled. Upon entering username and password, the login button must be enabled. Upon enter in username and password, after entering the username and password, then only login button must be enabled. Upon entering some information into any of the field, clear button must be enabled. The tabbing order must be username, password, connect to fields, login, clear, cancel buttons. This is the special requirements. This requirements given by business analyst. Right. Okay. Based on these requirements, today we will write test cases. Okay, right. What do you mean by test case? Test case is nothing but it is an idea of test engineer. Test case is nothing but it is an idea of test engineer. Today concept is test case concept. Yeah, test case. Test case is nothing but it is an idea of test engineer. There are two types of test cases available. One is GUI test cases. GUI means graphical user interface. Second one is functional
Functional
test
test.
cases. Yeah. If you want to write GUI test cases, we have 5 guidelines. What are those? Without performing any actions, we can write the test cases. Then that type of test cases is known as GUI test cases. Okay. We can write the test cases based on some guidelines. What are the guidelines we have? Already we discussed static testing.
Availability,
Yeah,
alignment,
without performing any actions, we can write the test cases. Then the type of test cases is known as GUI test cases
G,
or static test cases. Already we discussed about static testing. Already I told you without performing any actions, we can write the test cases. We can test the application. Then the type of testing is known as GUI testing or static testing. Already I told you guidelines. What are the guidelines? We can write the test cases. Based on the guidelines, we can write minimum some test cases for GUI applications. Tell me, what are the one is
avail-
availability,
availability, availability,
availability,
alignment,
alignment,
consistency,
consistency,
spelling and grammar,
spelling and grammar.
color.
Right. Both are.
What happened? Why are you laughing? What happened? Did I say any mistake?
Okay, both you are saying really great. At a time you are saying answers. It's really great. Really proud. Why? Because both are saying same availability, alignment, consistency, spelling, and color. Great. Shabash, madam. Shabash. Right. Okay. Next, functional test cases. If you take any application, minimum we can write these 5 types of test cases. If you take any application, minimum we can write these 5 test cases, that is GUI test cases. GUI means graphical user interface. Without performing any actions, we can write the test cases. Then the type of test cases is known as GUI test cases or static test cases. Without performing any actions, we can write the test cases. Then the type of test cases is known as GUI test cases. Slowly we can learn this test cases concept. It's very, very important, madam. Slowly we can learn. If you have any doubt, just you can ask me. I will clarify the doubt. Okay, at any time you can ask me any doubt. Okay, madam. Next, functional test cases. Functional test cases further divided into 2 types. One is positive, one is positive, other one is negative. One is positive, other one is negative. One is positive test cases, other one is negative test cases. What do you mean by positive test cases? I will tell you name. Customer want one username field. This is the one username field. He is saying customer requirement is this username field should take minimum 4 characters, maximum 12 characters. Oh, so he's saying minimum 4 characters, maximum 12 characters. If you take between 4 to 12 characters, then that is called, these are the
Valid
valid inputs. Valid inputs.
inputs.
Valid inputs.
Input.
Using this valid inputs, if you do testing, that is called positive testing. I'm taking 8 characters. Is it positive or not?
Positive.
Yeah, positive. If between 4 to 12 characters, if you take any characters, that is called positive testing. Other than 4 to 12 characters, if you take, that is invalid inputs. Yes, we are using this invalid inputs. If you do testing, then that is called negative testing. So compulsory, a test engineer should have negative mind setup, then only we can get more defects. Okay, a test engineer should have negative mind setup, then only he can get the more defects. That means a test engineer should have negative mind setup, then only he will become a good test engineer. So compulsory, we need to think negatively also. Okay, negative thinking also, it's very very important. Why? Because customer is saying 4 to 12 characters, that username field should take minimum 4 to 12 characters. So I'm taking 13 characters. If it is taking 13 characters, then that is defect.
Yeah.
Negative testing. So compulsory, minimum we need to perform, minimum we need to take any invalid input. Okay, and we need to do testing. That's why that is called negative testing. So compulsory we need to do positive testing as well as negative testing also.
Very
Right. Next, test case template. Next, test case template. Test case template. First field, test case number, test case ID, test case number or test case ID,
right.
test case description, test case type,
Type. Type.
test case type, test case description.
Description.
I will tell you. Test. This is the test case template, madam. Test case description and expected value,
Actual value.
actual value,
And result.
result. Yes. First test case ID. We can write 0, 1. Test case type. How many types of test cases? If
Three
you
types.
tell right answer,
Three
no,
types.
3 types.
Yeah.
3 types. What are those?
Positive,
Ah,
negative, and GUI.
right, shabash. GUI, positive, and negative. Negative. We can write anyone. Test case type. Test case description. Test case description is nothing but what action we are performing, we will write here. What action we are doing, what action we are performing, what action we are performing, we will write here. What action we are performing, we will write here. For example, click on clear button. That is the action. What is the customer expectation? This is the expected value is nothing but customer requirement. Click on clear button. That is the action. What is the response? Next. Next. Click on clear button. Yes, yes. Whenever you clicking on clear button, all the fields must be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field. That is expected value. Expected value is nothing but customer requirement. Next. Whenever we are performing that action, whatever we are getting, we will write here. After developed application came into testing area, we will click on clear button. Whatever we are getting, the real value we will write in the actual value column. Okay. Next, we will compare the expected value with the actual value. If it is both are same, we can give the status pass. Otherwise, we can give the status fail. That is test case template. Test case ID, test case type, test case description, expected value, actual value, and result. This is the test case template. This is the test case template. Okay. Now we can discuss the test cases concept. Right. Based on the customer requirement, that login screen should contain username, password, connected to fields, login, clear, cancel buttons. Right. So
Yes.
every time if I write username is edit box, or username is text box, password is text box, connectivity is combo box, login is button, and clear is button, and cancel is button. If I write every time, it will be lengthy, right? That's why
Yeah.
I'm giving one name, that is login object tab. Okay, you need to for all of them, right? First test case, first Deval madam, read. Here we have 15 test cases. First one, first 8 Deval madam, next 8 Raj madam, last one Akhil sir.
Raz, I'm not Raz.
Uh, Madam, may I know your name, madam?
Raz is somebody else's name. My name is Vinita.
Huh?
Raz is somebody else's name. My name is Vinita.
Raj Gurung.
You don't even know my name. Raz is the person who contact you first time. So
Ah,
he is Raz. I'm not Raz.
okay.
Raz Gurung is a boy. Raz Gurung is a male.
Ah, I know, I know. Oh, right, right. But actually, I spoke with Raj. That's the name. I
Yeah.
don't know your name. Still, okay, whatever it is. Yeah, your
Yeah.
name is.
I'm using his Skype ID, that's why. Sorry, my
Okay.
name is Vinita.
Your name is.
Vinita.
No, 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 no. Next, madam. Gurung. Two madams. One is Deval madam. Second one is Bishu.
Yeah.
Bishu. Oh, great. It's nice name. Right.
Thank you.
Yes, first, Deval madam, please read eight test cases. Right. First test case, read it. Everyone, every field. First test case ID is one. Test case type is GUI. Just like. Hmm. Hmm. Expected value is nothing but. Expected value is nothing but. Madam,
Customer's requirement.
I'm asking one question. Expected value is nothing but that is the customer expectation. Okay. Actual value is nothing but after developed application came into testing area, whatever description value we will perform on the application, whatever we are getting, we will write in the actual value column. Okay. Expected value is nothing but that is the customer requirement. Blindly you need to remember. Okay. Okay. Now read it. Read it. First one not yet finished. Hmm. Right. Hmm. So both are same or not? Both are same. So result is pass. Okay. Next. Second. Right. Okay. are same. Pass. Hmm. Hmm. Next. Hmm. Third one. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. 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 Why it is failed? Hmm. That yeah, customer already said login and clear should be disabled whenever invoke the application. Cancel always enabled. He is saying, but this requirement, this result is not meets the customer requirements. So that's why it is fail. Right. Hmm. Next. Hmm. 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 Result. Yes. So right, Shabash. Hmm. Next. Seventh. Hmm. Hmm. Eighth one. VIT means valid input table, correct username, correct password. That means so. If I mention valid usernames and valid passwords, it will be lengthy. That's why I maintained one table. In that already I gave usernames and passwords. So here valid input table means it is a correct username and correct password. Simply you need to remember. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Next, Vishu madam.
Yes. Um, Number 9, positive. Uh, Enter username, password as per the VIT and select a database option and click on login. Corresponding page must be displayed as per the VIT with the mentioned database connection.
Hmm.
Corresponding pages are
Actually,
displayed as
madam,
per the
you are in Skype, madam in a go-to meeting. So that's the reason you can't hear her voice.
yeah, I can't hear her at all.
Right. Okay. Read it, ma.
Okay.
Mm,
Corresponding pages are displayed as per the VIT with the mentioned database correct connection.
mm.
These two matches, so the result is pass.
Yeah, I will read it, madam. Both people, you can hear me. Tenth one.
Okay.
Tenth. Enter some information into any of the field and click on the clear button. So all the customer expectation is all the fields must be cleared and cursor should be placed in the username field. That is customer expectation. But here actual value is all the fields are cleared, but the cursor is not placed in the username field. So this is not this is not expecting customer is expecting that cursor should be placed in the username field. But here is cursor is not placed in the username field. So it is fail. 11th one. Click on the cancel button. Customer already he told whenever click on the cancel button, login screen should be closed. But actually login screens is closed. So both are same pass. And
Pass.
11th one, check for the tabbing order of the all the objects. Tabbing order must be follows username, password, connect to login, clear, cancel button. So tabbing order is follows username, password, connect to login, clear, cancel. So both are same. We can say pass. And 13th one, enter username and password as per the invalid input table and click on the login button. Whenever you are giving wrong username and wrong password, compulsory need to show error message. But
Yes.
here corresponding messages should be displayed. That means error message must be displayed. Corresponding
Mm-hmm.
error messages are not displayed. So fail.
Well,
Right. Next, 14th one. Enter some information only into the username field and check for the enabled property of login button. Customer already told after entering the username and password, then only login button should must be enabled. But he is giving only username. He is not giving any password. So login button must be disabled. This is the customer requirement. But login button is enabled. So fail.
well.
Next, last one. Enter some information only into the password field and check for the enabled property of login button. Customer is said only whenever after entering username and password, then only login button must be enabled. But he is giving only password. So that time that login button must be disabled. Login button is enabled.
In-
So fail. That is test cases. So this is the login object table and valid input table. Already I mentioned here valid input table. Akhil Reddy. If it is admin user, admin page. Normal user, home page must be displayed. Just like invalid input table. So I gave this tables. I will send you this document. Okay. Just this is the normal test cases. Now I will tell you general test cases. I will tell you general test cases. I will tell you general test cases. For example, this is the this test cases concept totally based on your creativity. Okay, test case is nothing but it is an idea of test engineering. Okay, for example, I'm writing the test cases for keyboard. Okay, now I'm telling test cases for keyboard. Okay, observe, listen carefully. I'm telling you test cases for keyboard. Check or verify. We can use two words. Check or verify. Check or verify. Check enter button is available or not. Check space button is available or not. Verify control button is available or not. Check shift button is available or not. Check escape button is available or not. Check all the keys, numerical keys available or not. Check all character keys available or not. Check all F1 keys available or not. Check delete button available or not. Check print screen available or not. Check page up, page down buttons available or not. Check up and down arrows available or not. And check numerical lock button available or not. Check alt button available or not. Right, like we can write the test cases, general test cases. These are the general test cases. No test case format. Only just we are writing general test cases. Check for the just check space button available or not. Check enter button available or not. Check alt button available or not. Check escape button available or not. So we can write the general test cases. Now tell me test cases for white paper. Test cases for white paper. Minimum you should say 10 test cases. Then only we can end the class. Minimum 10 test cases for white paper. Already I told you test cases for keyboard. Okay. Now general test cases tell me minimum 10 test cases for white paper. You should tell. Then we can end the class. Anyone? Madam? Deval madam? Tell me madam. 10, minimum 10. Just tell me some test cases and Bishu madam will tell some test cases. Hmm. We want test cases for white paper. Hmm. Just already I told you now, madam. Just keyboard already I told you 10 test, nearly 10 to 15 test cases for only keyboard. Just like you need to tell. White paper. I will start. I will start one test case, madam. After that you can check it is. Check it is ruled or unruled. Ruled or unruled. Hmm. Right. Next. Madam Vishu, madam, tell me, ma.
Sorry?
Tell me test
Sorry, what did
cases.
you say?
Test cases for white paper.
Test cases for white paper. Sorry, I don't know. Can you give me an example, please?
Yeah. Just already I told you now. Test cases for keyboard. Check space button is available or not. Check enter button is available or not. Check backspace available or not. Check escape available or not. Check tab button is available or not. Check caps lock available or not. Check numerical lock available or not. Check shift available or not. Check control available or not. Check alt button is available or not. So just like
Okay, so what could be the test cases for white paper? I mean, what kind of paper? The photocopy paper or something else?
just is that is white paper. Already I wrote one test case. Are you getting my screen? My
Yes, now I'm getting your screen, but before I didn't see anything.
okay. Now I'm. Are you getting my desktop?
Now, yes.
Yes. Already I wrote one
Yeah,
test case.
but before it was blank, so I couldn't see anything.
Okay, okay. Now, madam, I wrote one. Deval madam, just wait 1 second. I will talk with Raj Bishu madam. Bishu madam, already I wrote
Yes,
one test case. Are you getting my screen?
yes, yes.
What is that? I wrote one line. What is that?
Check it is ruled or unruled.
Just we need to write the test cases for white paper, madam. Now tell me your
Okay,
idea. Minimum we need to write 15 test cases, madam.
for white paper.
Yeah, Bishu madam, tell me only one test case minimum, please.
Okay, you give me one more example, then I will give you.
Check it is ruled or unruled and check, check, check whether anything written on it. Next. Now you can tell.
Yeah.
Deval madam, now tell me. Both. You can tell. Minimum 15. We need to write 15. Our target is 15.
Okay.
Hmm.
Check whether it is usable or not.
Already I think already I wrote now. Check whether anything written on it.
Okay.
You can think negatively and positively. This is idea. Test case is nothing but it is an idea of test engineer. We need.
Yeah.
Hmm. No, already I told you. Check whether anything written on it. We, wait. Check, check.
Check check the size and quality.
Right. Oh, that is one test case, madam. I will write. Check any watermark is there. Watermark. You know, madam, watermark.
Yes.
Ah, and madam told check size.
Check
Madam told check size. Okay, next.
And quality?
Check quality. Wait, ma. Check quality. Next. Next. What madam? They will madam numbers. Bookmark means I don't know. Bookmark means no. Only I'm giving only white paper, madam. Only I'm giving only white paper. Yeah, check whether it is having footer and header. Okay. Right. We can write that. We can write like check. No. Check. It is ready to write or not. Next.
Check we can color it or not.
Check.
Check whether it can be color or not.
Okay. Check it is. Check it is. Check it. Is there any color or not? Is there any color or not? Okay. Next. Check it. Size already over, madam. Check it is. Any holes on paper? Next.
Check if it has any page number.
Any page number. That is the header and footer. Already came, madam.
Yeah. So
Minimum 15, madam. Already we wrote only 9. Minimum we need to write 6 more. This is your idea. Can I tell one?
check if it is really.
Check both sides empty or not. Check anything. Check. Check it is dead. Dead inside any corner. Check. Check it is wet condition or dry condition. Oh, check it is already. I told you white paper. I told you white. Yes, already I told you white paper. I didn't tell it is white, wet condition, dry condition. I didn't tell. So that's the reason. Check it is wet condition or dry condition. Dry. Next. Check it is white paper or letterhead. Yeah, letterhead means there is white paper only. Only small logo will be there. Only small logo.
Check it is damaged or not.
Okay, leave it. Okay. Okay. Next.
Check it is damaged or not.
Check it is pure white or not. Okay. Uh,
All white papers meant to be pure white, right?
no. White paper. There are two types of white papers, madam. Some are dark whites, plain white, pure white.
Okay.
Next, you need to think positively and negatively. Two more,
Mm,
madam. Two more. Two more. Hmm.
check check if we can write thousand cents on it or not.
Check. Wait. Check. Check. It is. Check it is. Check it is. Check it is. We can able to write or not.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. Check it is. We can able to write or not. Some papers will not take the ink pens. So we can write the
Yeah.
this one or go. Check what is we can able to write or not.
Or
Next.
check how many paragraphs can we write in this paper.
Mm, already size we gave. Uh, we can say check it is. Check it is. Check it is. Folded or not. Folded or not.
Yeah, yeah.
Next. Hmm. Just we can write it, madam. This is our ideas. We need to write number of test cases.
Check it is soft or hard.
We can write. Madam told. Check it is soft or hard. Check it is. Check it is soft.
Soft or hard.
Some. Oh, no, no, no. Some papers will be, madam. Just something hard. Some papers will be very soft. Check it is soft or. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Check it is already. Check it is very neat or not. Okay. It will come under. Check it is very neat or not. Check it is very. Uh, right. Yes. Yes. Check it is very neat or not. Okay. Just only white paper we wrote nearly 17 to 18 test cases. Just first test case, if you want to say the first test case, but you feel, oh, there is, if it is white paper, we can write the test cases, but we wrote 18 test cases. Okay.
Yeah.
So, test case is nothing but this is an idea of testing in it. Differently, negatively, positively, we need to think. So, this is the test case concept, madam. Just general test cases,
Check
normal
check
test.
check check if we can if we can use this paper to make a paper plane or not.
Check it is paper plane. Yeah.
Yeah.
We can write it. Check. We can mold the paper.
Yeah.
We can mold the paper or not. Oh, yes, great, ma. Hmm. Right. We can write it number of test cases, madam. Slowly we need
Yeah.
to think and we need to write the all the test cases, madam. This is the test cases concept, general test cases. Today I'm giving homework is one is you need to write test case just like just this format only you need to write the test cases. One is home. Okay, it's very easy. Second one is kitchen. It's also very easy. Okay, girls can write test cases for kitchen. They can write thousand of test cases for only kitchen, right? Okay, right. Minimum
I need
100
to
test
ask
cases.
also my mom.
Minimum 100 test cases for home. Minimum 100 test cases for kitchen. Minimum 20, 50 test cases for lift.
Okay.
Okay, this is your homework. Today homework is home, home. Oh, no, no, no,
Kitchen.
no, compulsory. Compulsory. You should do this work. Why? Because wherever you go, our work is, our life is, wherever you go, if you are thinking differently, we need to think. A test engineer should have negative mindset up, positive mindset up, and only one point, madam. If you are test engineer, you should know only two things, madam. How to understand the customer requirements. After understanding the requirements, how to write the test cases. If you know these two things, you can work with any software company, madam, any project, madam. Yeah. Yes. No, 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 no. Minimum you need to write test cases for home minimum 100. 100. Only for kitchen 100. Lift to take 30 to 50. At any cost, tomorrow you should tell the test
Can't you
cases.
give me some? Can't you give us some interesting topic instead of this home and kitchen,
Okay, okay,
please?
okay, okay. I can give you, madam. Okay, but okay, I will give you. Wait, 1 second, wait. Hmm. Yeah, old map, old map, old map. Okay, enough.
Yeah, it's more than enough now.
Old map,
Yeah.
old map. Just world map. If you want, write the test cases for world map also. This is very, very important. World map.
Yeah, it would be more interesting.
No, no, no. Madam asking, sir, I want interesting topic, interesting one. I want. So that's the reason I gave to madam world map. Your homework is home, kitchen, lift, madam. Deval, madam. Your homework is home, kitchen, lift, and like right. Home, check. Main door is available or not. Finish. Kitchen, stuff is available or not. Enough. Lift is properly closing or opening or not. Enough.
Sir, give me 1 second.
Okay. Okay.
Hello?
Can you write the test cases, ma? Deval, madam?
Yes. Who is it?
Okay. This is very, very
Oh,
important, madam. Yesterday, already I gave you that use cases. Just once read the test cases and read the use cases and come with confidence. Tomorrow I will show you real-time test cases. Day after tomorrow, once again I will show you real-time test cases. Day after tomorrow, once again I will show you real-time test cases. Day after tomorrow, once again I will show you test cases concept only. Minimum 2 to 3 days we will stay here only in the test cases concept only. After getting confidence, then we can move to other concept. Otherwise, we will discuss test cases, test cases, test cases, test cases, test cases, test cases. Okay, our intention, our work, our life, our future, everything only on test cases. Totally depending upon only test cases concept. So, test case is our life, test case is our breath, test case is our food, test case is everything. Okay.
okay. So how many test cases shall I write for world map?
Yeah. Wait. Deval madam, wait. Madam, Vishu madam, ask me now.
Yes, sir. Oh, how many test cases shall I write for old map?
Only
50
for
or 60?
world map, minimum we can write minimum 100 test cases, madam. We can check
Okay.
whether England available or not. Check Pacific River is available or not. Check Himalayas
Okay.
available or not.
Okay.
Check.
Okay. If I write like that, then it will be more than 1,000 because there are so many countries in the world map.
Me know, right? Me know. Yes. Check. Yes. Madam, world map, you can write plenty. We can write nearly
Yeah.
lakhs, but no need. I will not give you that much of homework. I can give you only 100 more than enough, madam. 100.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay, this is your homework. I will send you notes. Already, I have sent you, Deval madam. Already, I have sent you total entire manual testing notes. In that concept only, you can get the test cases concept, and I will show you normal test cases once again. Wait, I will show you one document, normal test cases documents. You know, madam, I will show you my. Okay, no problem. I will show you normal test cases. Wait 1 second. Within 2-3 minutes, we can complete our class now. Just wait. I will show you normal test cases. General test cases, I will show you how it is very silly. Okay, but these are the test cases, different ideas. That is nothing but different ideas. See, madam, I gave I gave homework to one madam. That madam name is Kunjal madam, not Kunjal. Something. Uh, I forgot. She wrote nearly 500 test cases for this world map, madam.
Oh,
Yes, yo, I'm reading the test cases for pen. Check whether the pen is writing in which color. Check whether we can see the liquid from outside. Check whether the pen is blue, ballpoint or ink. Check whether the pen is compact at the holding area. Check whether the pen can write in different condition. Check whether the pen can write if it writes in ultra, like if we sign or write on write or anything by keeping in the wall and writing. Check whether the pen is very attractive. Check whether the pen is very good in writing, that is nib area. Check whether the company logo is there or not. Check whether the cap is availability. Color of the pen. Check it is use and throw or reuse.
okay.
Okay, next, test cases for table.
Kitchen house there as well?
Test cases for table. Wait. To check whether check whether the table should be flat. To check whether the table has good surface to keep the books over it to read and write. To check whether the table has enough strength. To check whether the table is very comfort for all the people to their works. To check whether his table should be more height. To check whether it should be easily be taken or to move. To check whether the table should be easily folded and kept anywhere. So we can write test cases. We can write
Okay.
more test cases. Okay, right. That's your homework, and complete your
So white
homework.
paper and pen are fine.
Hmm.
White paper and pen are fine, but home, kitchen, lift, it sounds bit funny, sir.
Uh, just
It sounds bit funny for the test engineers.
yeah, okay. Just for these are the
Yeah,
general purpose.
yeah,
After this
yeah.
concept, once again we will take application, and once again we will write all the test cases for another applications. But you should know, just
Okay.
first of all, we should know basics. After that, we can enter into, we can work with any applications. But first of all, basics, simple, silly things we should know. Okay, only
Yeah,
white paper. It is very simple, silly. It is not matter, but still we discuss.
yeah,
Yeah, that is
yeah,
why I'm saying, if it is home or kitchen, you know something, so you can write the test cases. After that, I can give big example. After that, I can give application example. You can write it
Sorry, I was
directly.
just
If I
joking.
give directly, if I give application example, simply you can
Yeah,
sit to, you will not write anything. So once again, I
yeah,
need to tell this concept too. So that's the reason I'm
yeah,
giving very silly things, very simple things. Okay,
yeah,
this is our life. Test case is our life. Okay. Already,
yes.
both people, I have sent you total entire notes, AkhilReddy testing tools, total AkhilReddy full testing notes. Already I have sent you this recorded file. I will send you after 20 minutes. Why? Because it need to convert. It will take minimum 20 seconds, 20 minutes, madam. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay.
madam, yeah, tomorrow will you come to class? Deval, madam? Not at 5:30. Your timings, India time 12 p.m. Okay, right. You can, and oh, okay. You can come. You should show on Monday. Okay. Okay. No problem. You need to write in your notebook, and you need to tell. Okay, on Monday. And Bishu madam, will you come to class tomorrow?
No, sir, because every Saturday and Sunday I go to visit my grandparents.
Okay, great, madam. Tomorrow we don't have any class. After after 5 o'clock, I can go to. I can. Okay, I can go
You can go
anywhere.
to gym
Okay.
after 5 o'clock.
Okay, great, madam. Great, madam. Thank you, madam. Really, thanks, madam.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
After 5 o'clock, I can go after your class.
Yeah.
After
So
they will,
on Saturday and Sunday you can spend your time in gym and with your family.
okay, great, great, madam. Mm, yes, tomorrow, uh, after 1 o'clock, tomorrow after 1 o'clock, I will be free. Okay, I can
Oh,
go anywhere. Okay, great, ma.
yeah.
You gave all day.
Yeah.
You
You
gave
will
all day.
enjoy.
Really.
Yeah.
Is this Deval madam? Deval, I got the payment last 2 days back only. And madam, and Vishu madam, I got your payment, ma. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Sir, is that enough? Because Raj asked me to deposit that much money. So
Yeah, enough,
if
ma.
it is
Enough, ma.
if anything is left
No,
less,
no,
then
no.
you please tell me.
No need, no need, no need, madam. Enough, madam. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, great, ma.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice talking with you. Have a nice day. Tomorrow, Deval
Thank
madam, we
you.
have class. Vishu madam, we don't have any class. We have class on Monday only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Have a nice day. Take care. I will send you this recorded file within 20 minutes, madam. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Already I have sent you notes, madam. Okay. Bye, madams. Bye,
Okay.
madams.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, madam.